to our two-side tutorial channel. In this video, we are going to see bubble sort and how bubble sort work. So we are having and some input like we have taken array of 5 which is equal to 10, 5, 15, 0 and 12 where we are going to swap it or sort with the help of bubble sort. So consider an row of 0 to 4 initially 0 to 4 and then 0 element contain 10 and with respect to row all the numbers. So the point to be noted that in bubble sort the swap is from left to right and we can switch the loop in between left to right and we can see over here if the x is less than y then it swap its position. Here we can see it has swapped the position and then furtherly it checks for the other and get swapped and when the condition is true it remain on the same position and then go executely. Over here we can see the second swap row and how actually the second pass occurs. So firstly all the row get executed, then afterwards the element get swapped accordingly like one bubble at one time and we can see accordingly in the second pass, and third pass is the final pass where all the numbers are get sorted in ascending order with our code, and then we can assume that our string has been sorted. Now let's see some code for bubble sort. So this is our code hash include iostream. This is our header file using namespace std. Then we are including int main. Then in int main we are having int four integers I, j, temp and pass equal to 0. Then we have initialized array of 5 taking the user input 10, 5, 15, 0 and 12, and we will see out input list, and then for loop I equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, then see out a of I, then we will see out the first condition as our array, then we will see out the end line, it will give one space, then for I equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, for I equals to 1, we will iterate first row, and then with the first row we will define for j equals to I plus 1 which traverse by the 1 and it will swap accordingly. For swapping we will include if loop and for if loop a of j is less than a of I, so 10 is less than 5, then it will have the swapping code t equals temp equals to a of I, array of I equals to array of j, then array of j equals to temp, then temp equals where we have swap like temp equals to array of I with array of j equals to temp, then the number will be swapped. Then we will pass by pass plus plus by changing the location of the numbers, and then say out sorted element list. Now we will display the list accordingly for I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. So this will display the list with not only the first sort with the final sort, like not by the fifth of the bubble sort, by the zeroth bubble sort with the final sort. So this is for that for loop, that for I equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, and see out array of I and with the two spaces, and see out that the number of passes taken to sort the list is pass end line. Why actually we have see outed? Because further it will not be passing any garbage value, so we have a see out pass and then further return 0 for our int main file, and then we will see the output as output is Yeah, the input list is 10, 5, 15, 0, and 12, and the sorted element list is 0, 5, 10, 12, and 15. So this is our list. So let's try over here writing 10. So what happened? And save and then run the code. So accordingly, yes, it will give the garbage value 15 and 508 and garbage value sum. So hope you like this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.